Hi, this is Neil, and in this quick video, I'll show you how to reset the maintenance required white on the Toyota Yaris. This process also works for other similar Toyota models. First, insert the key into the ignition. Second, turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Third, press the odometer/trip button until the screen displays trip A. Fourth, turn the ignition back to the off position. Fifth, press and hold the odometer/trip button as you turn the ignition to the on position, remembering not to start the engine. Then you're going to see a row of zeros. Once the row of zeros disappears, you can let go of the odometer/trip button. And finally, turn the ignition back to the off position. Now we have successfully reset the maintenance required light. And that's all I'm going to show you for today. If you enjoy seeing clear, easy, and simple to follow car videos, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. If you have any comments or questions, make sure to type it in the comments below. Bye! I'll see you in the next video.